Hello everyone, Jillian here with the Hitchhiking Bones. Recently, Will and I took a trip to Disney. We spent a full day at Disney's Animal Kingdom, and I would love to share with you all how to make the absolute most out of your day at Animal Kingdom. First, make sure to make the absolute most out of your Disney Photo Pass by stopping at every single Photo Pass stop that you see. You can get some amazing shots by a Disney professional. The magic shots are always adorable as well, so make sure to ask about those. Also, make sure to take in all the beauty of the Tree of Life as you walk into the park. Do not just walk past it without taking in its true artistry. If you hit at the certain part of the day, you can also see the macaw show at the Tree of Life. Secondly, make sure not to pass up an opportunity to watch as the Discovery River character cruises come through. You will get an amazing opportunity to see Chip and Dale, Pocahontas, Rafiki, Mickey and Minnie, and many more characters. Will and I really enjoyed taking a break in the outdoor theater area near Expedition Everest to enjoy all the boats pass by. We grabbed some popcorn in a Simba popcorn bucket and enjoyed all of the boats passing. This is a great way to experience some normalcy since the River of Light show is not going on during the COVID-19 pandemic. Third, this is my favorite part of Animal Kingdom. The world of Pandora is an amazing way to spend most of your time at Disney's Animal Kingdom. Make sure to ride on the back of a Banshee in a thrilling 3D ride on Flight of Passage. Next, hop right on over to Na'vi River Journey and experience the Way of the Avatar. Also, make sure to stop and take in the amazing Valley of Moara, which features the floating mountains. It truly is breathtaking. You can also take in all the amazing and exotic flavors at Satuli Canteen. Don't forget to wrap up your trip with a Pongo Pongo beverage that is served alcoholic or non-alcoholic, and you can also bring it home in a cute mug. And bring a piece of Pandora home with you by visiting the Wind Traders. Fourth on my list is definitely Kilimanjaro Safaris. Will and I absolutely love this attraction. It is located in Africa. It is a thrilling ride meant for all ages that matches a true African safari. If you want my opinion, it's as close as you're going to get to an African safari without actually going to Africa. The Harambe Wildlife Reserve is home to 34 species living on 110 acres of land. This makes Disney's Animal Kingdom the largest theme park in the world. This wild ride will last around 18 minutes while letting you enjoy all that the Harambe Wildlife Preserve has to offer. Lastly, make sure you check out the animation experience located at Conservation Station. The animation experience is a great way to learn how to draw some of your favorite characters from a real Disney animator. Conservation Station is located in Rafiki's Planet Watch. This is a great experience for all ages. Will and I went to the Conservation Station right before the park closed, but they had one more class available, so we got to leave the park after it closed, and it was a great way to maximize our time at the park. I also recommend to eat all the food. Try new things, really branch out, because you never know what new snacks and beverages are waiting for you, especially as the holiday season approaches. Make sure to use your Disney Experience app to pre-order everything on the app, and then you just go pick it up so you're not wasting any time standing in lines. Thank you so much for watching this video. We really appreciate all the support we've been given from the Disney community. Make sure to hit the like button and ring that bell so you know when we go live. We are just a couple days away from our Disney vacation, and I don't want you to miss any of our live videos. Make sure to check us out Tuesday nights at 9 p.m. and also Thursday afternoons, Will and his mom go live for Mando Mania. And then Saturday morning, we go live for What's Brewing with the Bones. And as always, hurry back. Bye, everybody.